Python comments. Imagine you need to make a note for yourself while programming so that you don't forget what was going on in your head at that point in time. Welcome to comment. That is what comment is for. You can use comment for making a code readable. You can use a comment to explain a part of a code. You can use comment to prevent a certain portion of the code from executing, especially when you are testing your code. There are single line comments and there are multi-line comments. As we progress in our class, you get to use each of these comments. But for now, let me just show an example. So single line comments are marked or started with the hash. Okay, where is the hash on my keyboard now? Oh, I got it. Now just put the hash at the start of the code, and then the line of the code gets grayed out like here. If I run this code, it's going to generate an error because the variable a has been commented out. So as far as this code exists, there's no variable as a. Okay, you can try that on your end and see what happens, or we can try it together. Click on the run button, and what do you see? An error. Name error. Look at here. Name error. Name a is not defined, simply is not found. That's what comment does. So if you have a code you are testing, you have different things that are going on, but you don't know which one is causing the error, you can begin to comment them out one after the other to find which that is causing the error. Or you could just leave a message for yourself. Start with a hash. This is a testing code. If we run this code, this part of the code will not show. Every other thing will show. Here we go. Okay, everything is still running as expected except for the part that is started with the hash tag. Now this is a way of doing a single line code. You can actually do a multiple line code repeating the same thing and then blah 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 again, or you could put the multi-line code in 3 inverted comma. How do we do that now? 1 2 3, and at the end 1 2 3. Here we are. This is a multi-line code. You don't really need to have this hash except it's part of what you want to write as your comment. Okay, so use hash for a single line code, and then use triple inverted comma, double inverted comma for your multi-line comments. And this is all about comment, as simple as it is. See you in the next class. Make sure you practice it and get better at it.